Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. Hope you guys are having a good one. We are currently up right now on ADA 5.53%. If you guys have been following this channel, you guys know that we are live trading, so make sure you guys do subscribe, turn the bell notifications on. We're up 11,309 yesterday. Let's see what we're looking at today. Probably up maybe just a little bit because ADA went up. We are currently up 3,377. Awesome. We made about 50 plus bucks there over while we were sleeping. I did end up just calling an exit of 25%. I called this out in the Telegram channel, so you guys can see all this right down here. 25% market exit on ADA. I'm going to explain exactly why I did that. Congratulations, guys. Also, we ended up winning our 54th trade on this channel over here, which is pretty awesome. And that was over here on Link. So I was calling an exit over there. So great job, guys. We're 54. Let's look at ADA and let's see what's going on here. So looking at the price versus the well money flow, I am upping the price of this indicator at the end of the month. I'm also upping the price of the trend exhaustion before the end of the year. So make sure you guys snag these as you guys understand today's analysis. Here's why I called a 25% exit. And if you guys are not in with us, you're not trading with us, this will give you an idea of how to trade. And I'll show you how to get into the new trades so you guys can also trade with us if you like our winning strategy here. Okay. When the trend exhaustion pushes into the top section up here for the red zone, as well as the well money flow, which is in green, this historically is where we're going to see the price move back down. Okay, this has been very true over here. If we see it ever move into the top red section here, and we see this up here, and we get a high and a higher high, while you see money flowing out of the market right here, see how the price tried to extend itself here, but the money started flowing out of the market. These indicators are telling us, hey guys, watch out. This is not the time to be buying. This is the time to be looking to get out of your trades or at least shorting in here. So price action moving up while the flow of money is moving out. This is a huge sign that we're going to move back down, guys. This indicator and these indicators right here, guys, are going to help you look behind the charts. So normal indicators are sometimes won't show this, but this is how we're able to predict these moves up and down in the market. And even over here, we saw us push in the top red section. Well, money flows at the top here. Then that's when we saw the very fast crash back down here. And yes, we were able to call the top here before we saw the drop, which was amazing. We saw this up here. That's why we didn't buy in, and we actually bought into ADA at $2.02, which is right down here. And then we wrote it back up, and we haven't lost a single trade yet. All right, why do I show you guys all of that? And then again, like right here, bottom red section, whenever you get down here, right into this consolidation area, it may take time for this to bounce around here, but this is not the place to be selling. It's the place to be buying, guys. And we actually ended up taking some positions down here, and we made some good money riding this back up. That's why you guys need these indicators. So let's see what they're telling us today. Overall, what we're seeing here is we see a high and another high. And then down here, we see a low and we see a higher low. So we have a low, a higher low, and a higher high formation. What's happening with the flow of money, though? We see a high and a lower high formation right here. We also see the trend exhaustion moving downwards towards the middle. So what we're seeing right now is the overall price structure is looking to try to head upwards, but we have money flowing out of the market, and the trend exhaustion is saying, hey, I'm exhausted of going up. I think we need to start looking for moves back down. Okay, so when you guys see this, you need to be very careful because this could be a place where the price starts dropping back down because the flow of money is moving out. Okay, this is on the 4-hour time frame for Coinbase using on-chain metrics here. So this is why I ended up calling a 25% exit for us here, and we made 5.53% this morning, and we exited at 230. Okay, literally just came with that call on Telegram channel. All right, now we still have money in this market. I'm not putting a stop loss on this. I want this to go ahead and allow itself to fluctuate. Usually what happens here when you break out from a triangle pattern like this is a break, a retest back down, and then you usually see a move back up. Now, if it doesn't do that, guys, and it keeps going down, that's totally okay because we still have 3 other buy limits way down here catching us if we go down further. Obviously, that's not where they're at. They're definitely lower than that. But our risk management, guys, is going to keep us super, super safe in here. So if you guys want to trade this, let's go over and I'll teach you how to start trading with us so you can make some profits. Here's what you're going to do specifically on ADA today. I will be going over the metrics here just right after I show you this. The membership is $49 a month, guys. It literally is the cheapest thing you'll ever pay for. Here's some testimonials here. A guy took his account from $33,000 to $40,000. That's $7,000 there. A guy made $1,000 while he was sleeping. We have a trader down here took $28,000 to $30,000. You guys were asking me like, I want to see, actual account balances because percentages are better. Okay, there you guys go. $28,000 to $30,000, $2,000 in 2 days. This guy ended up taking, where was it, $300, and he turned it into where was this guy? I like this one because it's a lower amount of money that he was trading with. Okay, $300 this week alone, I took profit of 250. Okay, that's some really good percentages right there if you guys want to use lower money. That's how good our strategy is working. All right, really quick, I wanted to show this to you guys over here. If you're looking at this guy ended up coming over here and doing $6,000 on Solana, $10,000 on ADA, and this was last week. And then we had a guy do $40,000 in the last 3 weeks using our system, and then $10,000 as well. Okay, some larger accounts, but they're doing amazing. Once you guys have that, it will unlock the whole website. Here's what you guys need to do for ADA specifically this morning. I just like showing that to you guys so you guys have confidence that, yeah, we have people doing very well. Okay, you're going to click right here into Cardano. What it's going to do is going to open a chart that looks exactly like this. I'm going to keep it private for our paying subscribers. What you're going to do is you guys are going to have 4 buy limits, 4 yellow lines below the current price at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All of our metrics update there. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to take $1,000 if that's what you want to trade with, choose whatever. You're going to split it into 25% increments. So 250 will go at this price, 250 at this price, 250 at this price, 250 at this price. Once your first buy limit is hit, set your sell limit up here at this first yellow line, and that is how you guys form the strategy. By the way, I have updated the buy limits for Bitcoin in case we start dropping out here, so make sure you guys do update your buy limits here because they will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you have any questions, email me or just watch the strategy video down here, and that's how we are trading. Okay, once you guys have your membership, come over here, set up your buy limits, make sure you guys are getting the indicators. It's under the indicators tab. Here is the link to the trend dashboard. Here's the link to the trend exhaustion that's going to go up in price. Here's the link to the price versus the one money flow, which I am raising the price of. The bundle pack, guys, is the best thing possible because that's going to give you guys all of our indicators for the lowest amount, and this is not going to be going up in price this month. I am upping the prices of these, okay? And then when you guys are over here and you're in the trade, make sure you just scroll down here to the bottom, click the Telegram, and then you guys will get a hot link, and it will add you right over into the Telegram group where you guys can literally have me as like a coach that's coaching you on all of the coins that we trade. We are 54 for 54 wins. All right, now that that's out of the way, I just want to show you guys how to actually get into our system to trade and make more profits with us. Set up your buy limits right now for ADA and follow me on this YouTube channel as well as on the Telegram channel and watch these indicators down here to help predict some moves. Let's go over right now and let's go over the actual metrics for ADA because this is going to help us determine, where we might be going this week and push it into the middle of October. Okay, the emotional index right now, this gauges the overall emotions of the market, and I would say this mostly gauges the retail trader emotions. This has been pushing up and getting closer to the excited area for us, which historically when this does happen, I am looking for people to start buying into the market because they're excited, they see the price go up, and that is actually where wells and institutions are looking to kind of short the market, okay? They're usually doing the opposite of what retail traders are doing. Dumb money, what they call it in here, is actually creating the liquidity for the smart money to put their positions in. Right now, we haven't pushed up there. We're kind of neutral right now. And I'm going to show you guys the indecision that's happening right now with the wells and institutions because it's not very strong right now. And I think people are like waiting in here. Bitcoin shot up super high here. Bitcoin left all the altcoins behind. I was literally on a coaching call yesterday where Bitcoin took off and ADA didn't even move. It literally did not even move. A Bitcoin took off and Solana went down. It's what's going on in this market right now? It's kind of weird. So we're being a little hesitant, and I can see what's happening is because it's clear that people are being hesitant in here. It's okay, let's move into this. This is what I'm about to talk about next. Long versus short trades. There's hesitancy. Okay, the price is going up. Why aren't short trades increasing? Because people don't know if this is going to keep flying up or if it's going to go down. Well, why aren't, if it keeps going up, long trades are steadily increasing because I think we're at a lower point and people are expecting this to break out. And by the way, guys, we did end up breaking out of that triangle formation. See this descending resistance, ascending support? We broke out of this, and this is a bullish move upwards, okay? That's why we're taking some profit here, and then we're looking for the move back down. So it's a lot of indecision lately in the market. Looking at the long versus short trade risk, it is better, in my personal opinion, we're literally in a trade right now, to be in a long trade versus a short trade. Okay, that's what this metric is telling us. If you wake up in the morning, you're like, should I take a long trade or a short trade? It is better to look for a long trade right now. That is why we are in this long trade. We're making money and we're up 5%. Okay, look at this, guys. Do you observe anything when you're seeing this? These metric bars down here are very small. There isn't any strong conviction of if it's going to go down or if it's going to go up. Okay, and I'm not going to try to pretend like I know. Guys, follow the metrics, follow the indicators. That's what we need to do. There's a lot of indecision right now saying we were in this pressure zone right here of this, this symmetrical triangle pattern. We broke to the upside. How high are we going to go? Well, I'll give you a price target that's pretty aggressive, but there is an actual technical analysis reasoning behind that, and I'll do that in a second. But Well, in institutional and smart money, guys, they're not like super confident. We're like teetering back and forth right now. You know, when we get in here and we see huge spikes like this, like guys, the price is going to go up. Like when the price goes down this far and we see a huge spike, the price goes up and they make so much money. It's ridiculous. Okay. So watch these moves in the market here. When we start moving down really fast and we start seeing, you know, wells and institutions come out here and you know, buy this like crazy, we're going to see moves up in the market. Guys, we don't need this to keep going and keep going. We're only looking for 5 to 10 to maybe 20% profit per move. This is plenty. This is a daily time frame, okay? So let's move down here. Just understand this is kind of indecision. The best way to read indecision, guys, is to get your long trade set up with good risk management. That will guarantee that you guys at least get something into the market if we drop down. And if you guys are in this trade, we are going to wait and we're not going to put a stop loss in here. We're going to let this see if this wants to fluctuate down and head up even further. If it drops really far, we'll hit our second buy limit, which is even better, in my personal opinion, to get more money in the market. Demand will take over and then we'll go back up after that. I really do believe that. I've seen this happen so many times. Okay. Support resistance prices. Here's like, let's look at this right up here at around, excuse me guys. I need to drink more water in the morning before I do these videos. Right around $2.46, which is right around that $2.50 psychological level, is where I'm looking at as far as a move up and then a move back down. Let's take a quick look at this. So 250 is going to put us right at this structure high, right about here, okay? This is where I would expect to see maybe a move up. If that happens, it's going to be kind of nice because I think we'll push up close to 10% profit in here. Yeah, we'll probably be about 12.35% profit. If we get there, I'm absolutely going to be calling a 25% exit and we're going to move our stop loss to break even, and this will be our 45th, I believe is what it was. I just told you guys 44, right? This will be our 45th for 45th winning trade. I'm almost positive. Yeah, because we just did 54 for 54. This will be our 55th for 55th winning trade, okay? These numbers are getting hard to say in here. If we do move down here very quickly, you guys, the $2 zone is what I'm looking at. It's very clear. $2.06, $2.02, support, 191 support. That is $2. Where's $2? It's down here. Simple. Our buy limits are down here as well, is if we keep moving down. Guys, this trade is going to be so fun. This is going to be a hard trade to lose. People are doing really well. Dollar cost average entries, guys, you know, we haven't seen one come off yet because I think this is just, it's still looking for this to actually move down. And I say still looking because like literally this is like, these are calculations in the background. It's saying, okay, based off the history of this, I think we could go down maybe a little bit further, and then we want to get traders in here so we can get, you know, move back up. The best way to trade this, guys, in my opinion, is to follow our metrics, follow our indicators, and get into the trade setups with our risk management because we take advantage of compound interest, which, guys, if you hold in the market, you'll never take advantage of compound interest. You guys know those Roth IRAs that you see those charts where it's like, if you were 18 years old and you put $1,000 in the market, you'd be a millionaire when you retire. That's awesome. But here's the thing. The only reason why they can claim that is because of compound interest. Do the math on it without compound interest, and you are nowhere close to making $1 million at the end of the year. This is why I do not hold positions. I enter in and out of the market all the way up and all the way down the market, and that's how I make compound interest and take it out. I'm not trying to bash anybody who's trying to hold. There's great arguments of why you should hold. I just like taking advantage of compound interest. Okay, take a look at this. 88 exit points. This called the point out here to say, hey guys, just a heads up. We could be heading down here. And absolutely, I know we're up here, but I'm telling you guys, the divergence pattern here is definitely getting me, I'm not nervous like whatsoever because we have to head down super far. We have to go below $1 for us to even consider exiting this trade. And that's way down there, okay? So we're totally fine in this trade. But I'm just letting you guys know that came out, so we want to watch that. What you guys need to do right now, come over here, sign up for the membership, get your long trade set up for Cardano right here. Get the indicators over on the indicators tab. At minimum, guys, get the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion and the trend dashboard so you can copy my charts. It's those three right at the top here. This will actually save you guys more money in the long run because I'm upping the prices of all of these. And you guys get 4 other indicators. We have 9 total. We have some Forex indicators in here if you guys are interested about that have never been coded on TradingView before. Like literally ever. I've coded indicators for TradingView for a living 2 years ago, and I can promise you guys we have some Forex ones in here that are like insane. Position mockup for Forex is awesome. It's super awesome. Watch the video on that. Anyways, get that bundle pack and you guys can follow me over here. Because what I'm seeing, and just to wrap this video up, is I am seeing this form of divergence. Now let me point this out because I told you guys I would do this. Let's come over here and I want to take us to the 1-day time frame to look at a projection of where we could possibly head. I'm going to preface this absolutely right now. This is aggressive, but it is a possible form of technical analysis that we could be looking at as far as a move up on ADA. We take our low, we take our high. We perfectly hit hit the 50% retracement on the Fibonacci. Okay, if this does extend to the famous 1.6 Fibonacci extension, okay, retracement is when it goes below, extension is when it goes above, this could be pushing us up to about $4.38. Maybe I would call maybe mid of next year. I personally do not think we're going to hit this by the end of the year. I think if we hit $3, guys, by the end of the year, I'm going to be jacked. That's going to be super awesome. So I'm not even going to put this in the thumbnail at all, but like I think we could possibly be heading up here maybe by mid of next year to about $4.37. In the short term time though, however, what I could possibly see us heading to, by the end of October, if the bulls get in here and really start running this, is I absolutely can see, a $2.50 move. I could absolutely make an argument of $2.80 as well. That is something that could be happening. But with all of this pump going on Bitcoin, without a healthy retracement back down, you have a low, a high, without any type, in my opinion, a healthy high or low, which usually comes to structure low, which is down here at about $49,000. This could be seeing a nice drop in the market. So I want to be taking profits out for us while we're here and let the rest ride in case we go back down. All in all, guys, I will keep you updated here. We're going to try to go for 60 for 60 winning trades. I told you guys that in the beginning of October. I think we're going to do it. Also, congratulations for those of you guys who are in Link. You guys are up 7.50% on that. So it's been a really, really great trade on there. And we have some other ones that have got triggered off. So great job, guys. God bless you so much. Everything you guys need is in the description or the first comment of this video where I pinned it. Get the indicators before they go up in price. The bundle pack is the best thing to get. Get your trade set up for ADA because I do think we could see a possible move down here and you don't want to miss that entry. Get your trade set up for ADA. Come down here, click the Telegram button here. It will open up the page once you're subscribed. Click the hot link and join me over here and let's go 60 for 60 wins and let's see if we can get you guys on the profits page over here where people are making thousands of dollars. I had a guy in here actually make $60,000 with our metrics. It was insane. I'll show this to you guys real quick. I usually don't like showing this, but this guy on ADA actually did do $60,000 and it was insane. Then we had this guy down here do $4,800 on DOT and then he came down here on ADA and did $2,148. Like it is crazy what these guys are doing in here. So anyways, I just think it's fun to show you this. Tired of missing out, got subscribed and got the metrics. Fist pump. Awesome. Straight mountain arsenal. Fist pump back to you. So great job, guys. Have a good one. Have fun looking at the profits. Everything you need is over here. And by the way, sorry, real quick, there are people trying to impersonate me on Telegram. What is going on? I'm so frustrated when people try to do that. Let me get this out of the way here. Let's do this. Anyways, guys, there's someone on Telegram that looks like Trade Confident that is stealing the actual logo of Trade Confident up here, and they're pretending to be us, and they fake their subscribers to make it look like where we're at. Here's the thing, guys. Don't click on anything unless you click on it if it's on tradeconfident.io. Here's the thing. TradeConfident.io is the only place where you guys are going to see links, except for the Gumroad link that I place in the description in the first comment. Gumroad.com/TradeConfident is our official indicator store, okay? Don't click on any telegrams or any links. I'm never going to ask you for money except for on our actual websites, tradeconfident.io, and for the indicator purchases. That is it. Okay, guys? Only click links that are pinned in the description or on the first comment or are over here under the indicators tab or under the Telegram channel right here. Anything else is a scam. Don't do it. Anyways, just got to go to my soapbox there for a second. All right, guys, let's do this. Have fun. Get everything you need in the description. Let's get into these trades. Let's make some profit. Simple as that. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.